In this video, we are going to see how we can quickly resolve this error in Rufus which says media is write protected. It's a pretty straightforward process on how we can resolve that. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, we head over to the start menu and right here CMD. Right click to run as administrator, or you can get this option here as well. Click on that, click yes. And let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly. We will write here disk part and hit enter. And after that, you will mention list disk, hit enter. So in my case, it's disk 1, that is 28 GB. This is my USB drive. In your case, it might be different. So just select carefully. So whatever is the disk, you write select disk, let's say disk 1, and now it's selected. But just be very careful. You don't need to select the wrong one. Otherwise your data might be deleted. So make sure this is showing the correct disk. In my case, it's 28 GB. So I know that it is a USB. You can also confirm from here USB drive 28.8 GB. And we just write here attributes, disk clear, read only. And you will also get this command in the description of this video. So hit enter and it's cleared successfully. And now let's try again. Right click, run as administrator, onto Rufus, click yes, hit no. And we select our drive, that is this. We select non-bootable, let's say, just to check if everything is working perfectly. Click on start, click OK. And now it is working perfectly without any problem. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.